To perfectly align the origin of any object at the center bottom in Blender, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, search for Pi, and check the box on the add-on called 3D Viewport Pi Menus. Under the add-on's Preferences, untick all these checkboxes. Leave the one called Origin Pi, hotkey Ctrl-Alt-X enabled. Deactivate the rest, we don't need them. You can now close this window. I will now add a mesh to demonstrate how quickly we can align the origin of an object to the center bottom. I press Shift and A, hover over Mesh and select Torus. As you can see, the origin point is in the center of the torus. Click on the torus again to get rid of this menu on the bottom left. Now press Ctrl and Alt and X and this Pi menu will appear. Move your mouse downwards to where it says Origin to Bottom. Now let go and that's it. The origin of the object now has moved to the center bottom. Thank you for watching.